Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Steven here. Thanks for joining me on this Sunday afternoon. Hopefully you're sharing a dram of whiskey while I'm having mine. Today's whiskey, as I'm sure you saw, is Craigellachie 13. And right off the bat, I love the label on it. It looks kind of old-timey and like almost like you know, back in the time when you know, like moonshiners and stuff and illegal things going on. I don't know, it's sort of exciting to see that old-timey type of label. Anyway, obviously this is a 13-year-old whiskey. Wow, did you just see that cork go? Here, let me pour this and I better go grab it. Holy cow. This is a Speyside whiskey, by the way. And let me go get that cork. Wow. That was something. Always an exciting time around here. Where was I? Craigellachie, Speyside, 13 year. So Speyside, if you think of typical Speyside, you're expecting a very light, floral, non-smoky Scotch, right? There's no age statement on this. Oh, what am I saying? The whole cork popping off just threw my game off here. I was going to say it's non-chill filtered, which checks a box for a lot of people. So it means also there's no coloring added to this. It is just the color from the barrel. 46%. I'm sure, you know, when you hear 46%, if you're like me, you know that they did that specifically so they could non-chill filter. And any lower than 46, and you're probably chill filtering. This is a budget whiskey, in my opinion. Pretty fruity on the nose. Definitely floral. Definitely smells like a Speyside. This is interesting that they aged this in bourbon barrels. I think if I remember, it's like 2 times used bourbon barrels, and also ex-sherry casks. I don't know what kind of sherry casks, but anyway, let me take a quick sip. Now, well, that's nice. That's actually really nice. Couple of things. First of all, wow, there's layers on that. I did not expect that. I haven't had this for a long time, and it starts off kind of fruity, just like the nose, you know, and then it starts to get sweet. I think it's more of a toffee sweetness. Not, you know, a lot of times I get honey, but this is not so much honey. There's an interesting thing about Craigellachie, which is supposedly it's known as the smoky Speyside. I'm not at this point getting any smoke off of it, and I do not believe they use peated malt, so any kind of smoke would probably be coming from the char on the barrel. Yeah, there's definitely like a caramel sweetness. Hang on. For me, it's caramel. Some people have described this as like marshmallow or toasted marshmallow. I can see that, but for me, it's more caramel. Yeah, caramel. I don't get the smoke. Just like a light berry, florally sort of floral. You know, florally. I'm just gonna combine words now. But no smoke. I don't get any smoke. But I have a hard time picking out light smoke on whiskeys. Yeah. It's good though. My only complaint is it's a little harsh. It's not a gentle whiskey. It kind of burns you as it goes down. And that would be my only main complaint. But anyway, not bad. For a budget whiskey, I'd say it's pretty good. There are others that I would gravitize toward before this one, but I didn't put any water because it's only at 46%. It's possible it could open it up. It also could just ruin it. I'll put a couple drops. What the hey? See what it does. I don't think it's gonna help it, but really brought up the. It smells like like you're smelling a flower. And there's a little bit of that sweetness under it, but no, like I was saying, I think it's better without the water. I don't think that really helped it at all. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. As far as whether I would recommend this or not, I mean, it's a good budget Speyside if you're just looking for straight up whiskey without having a lot of fancy layers to it. I will be back next week with another whiskey. As I've said in the past, I'm getting close to the end of my sort of collection here, so I'll still be doing these, but it'll be more like once a month. So that'll start happening pretty soon. But until I see you next time, sláinte.